Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make Dollar Tree Christmas home decor and beautiful mirrored wall sconces. These DIYs are super easy and affordable to update your home for the holidays. With the holidays around the corner, I know many of you are also shopping to get your loved ones gifts. I've got a head start on my Christmas shopping, which makes me super happy because I even purchased my kitchen table when I was notified it went on sale. I love shopping smart and getting the best deals out there, and with the help of ShopTagger, I can save so much more money. Thank you ShopTagger for sponsoring this video. I'm so excited to announce they're doing a holiday giveaway to give one of you $1,000 for this holiday season. I'm grateful for them to give such an amazing giveaway. It is open to anyone who currently has a ShopTagger account and any new signups. You must save at least 2 items in your ShopTagger cart in December. The giveaway starts from December 1st through December 14th. The winner will be chosen on December 15th and notified directly through email. If you don't have a ShopTagger account, I will leave the link in my description box so you can sign up with them as soon as possible to be automatically entered. ShopTagger is a mobile and web app that notifies you when an item you have been wanting goes on sale via push notifications or email. You can pick from thousands of stores to shop from. I'm going to go to Z Gallery and show you a recent purchase I made for this mirrored round table. I was notified as soon as it went on sale because I saved it in my ShopTagger cart. I couldn't be happier knowing I saved money on something I really wanted. This is another item I recently purchased for my dining room, and I was notified when it went on sale. To save the item to your ShopTagger cart, click on the ShopTagger button on the right side of the screen, pick what percentage you want to be notified with when it goes on sale, and then pick the list you want to include it in. This really helps you to stay organized with your shopping, and you can create a custom list if you want. Then hit the save button and that's it. All your items will be in your ShopTagger account. When you're ready to make your purchase, click on the item, and at checkout you'll see this amazing feature that ShopTagger has for providing you with the best coupons available. It will scan the web for any coupons that store is offering so you can save even more money. To download ShopTagger, click Get the Free button, add to Chrome, add an extension, and you're all set. The link to download ShopTagger will be in my description box. With that said, let's continue with these Christmas decor DIYs. I will leave all the supplies you'll need in the description box for every DIY to make sure you don't miss anything. Had this rhinestone covered candle holder from a previous DIY. You can leave your candle holder plain, but I love that extra sparkle, which will look even nicer for the holidays with this DIY I'm going to show you. Here I'm adding hot glue to the bottom of the candle holder to place on top of the plate. Make sure it's centered. Then after adding more glue to the top of the candle holder, I'm going to apply the small plate in the center. You can make multiple of these if you want to display desserts for the holidays on your table, but I'm going to make just one and apply the second candle holder followed by another small plate on top to complete this 3-tier stand. This is how the completed tray looks. It's so pretty. You can place this anywhere in your home. I'm going to use it today as a decorative tiered tray to hold all these Christmas ornaments. A lot of you have been wanting to see red, so this is for you, but if you're not decorating with red, you can add any other color ornaments. For the top, I thought it would look really cute with a small candle, so I added this red one from Dollar Tree. I'm not going to light it up. This is just for decorative purposes only, and because it has a really nice cinnamon smell to it. I only recommend using LED candles if you want to light it up to make sure it's safe in your home. Here's how it looks styled on my living room ottoman. This is one of the easiest DIYs you'll see and can be completed within minutes, which I know many of you will appreciate because it's quick and easy for a beautiful decorative piece. For the second DIY, you'll need a bouquet of flowers of your choice. Have some red poinsettias from Dollar Tree, a silver bucket, and floral foam from Dollar Tree as well. I'm placing 3 of the floral foams in the bucket so I can add the poinsettias. You can add whatever flowers you want. These are very popular for the holiday season and it was really affordable to make. To complete the look, I added ribbon around the top of the bucket and made a bow. This ribbon is leftovers I have from my Christmas tree Decorate With Me. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave it in my description box so you can check it out. For the third DIY, you'll need garland, white paint, and a foam brush. I put some white paint on a plate, and using the foam brush, I'm adding a little bit of paint on the garland to make a snow-like look. I waited 30 minutes until it was completely dry, then got a round floral wreath and wrapped the garland around it, covering the foam. I went ahead and took the poinsettias off the stems and added them to the wreath to see how they would look before I glued them down. Seeing how nice they looked, I went ahead and glued them on top and around the sides. This is another easy DIY that I recommend worth making because the results are beautiful. This looks like it was store-bought, and the best part is that it was only $7 to make with the flowers, wreath, and paint. As I mentioned earlier, I will leave all the DIY materials needed to make everything in the description box. Starting off, I'm going to add this fake snow to all the flower vases, then I'm going to add a red candle from Dollar Tree to each one of them. This DIY cannot get any easier. I added them to an existing plain garland I had that needed an extra something. I added the vases with the candles, red poinsettias, ribbon, red berries, and frosted picks from Dollar Tree into this garland to make it look like it was store-bought. You can use whatever flowers or color choice you want to match with your decor. I've received many requests to make things with the color red, so I really enjoyed making this one and adding that pop of color to my home since many of you know I love my neutral glam. I love the way this looks, and if you don't have plain garland, you can get the garland from Dollar Tree and paint it white like I just showed you in the previous DIY and gather a bunch of them together to create this look. For this next DIY, you will need 2 sets of the 12-piece mini ornaments, 1 round mirror, and a hot glue gun. Starting off, I'm adding hot glue around the round mirror to apply an ornament one by one. I'm going to repeat this step until everything is covered and work my way up with the ornaments until it makes a tree shape. I've never made one of these before. This is my first time making an ornament tree, so I had to share it with you guys because in total it only cost me $3 to make. When I was finished gluing all the ornaments together, I noticed dried glue in between the ornaments, so what I did to cover that was add some Mod Podge with the foam brush and add silver flake glitter. I actually like doing this because it gave this tree more glam and sparkle. Here's how I have it styled on my entryway table. For $3 you really can't beat it, and you can make whatever colors you want or make multiple of these. These would look beautiful on a dining room table or on your entryway table. They look really nice to have for the winter season. For the last DIY, I want to give credit to my husband because this was his idea to make for you guys. I get my mirror and wood cut from Lowe's. If you purchase their mirror wood, it's free to have cut, but now I've seen a new policy that they don't cut many custom pieces anymore because it just takes them so much time to get everything cut. Some of you have been saying that some of your stores do not offer mirror cutting, but they do cut glass, so I would just try a different Lowe's in your state if you're wanting mirror cut. I spoke with the manager and he said that every Lowe's has a cutting section for glass, but some do not cut mirrors because some machines are different in each store and may not cut mirror, but there are some that do. My local Lowe's does offer mirror cutting, so I can always get my pieces cut, so you just call any store local to you to make sure that they do offer mirror cutting. I will leave all the measurements for the wood and mirror in the description box. After painting the sides and the front of the wood board, we're going to be using these floating bookshelves. They're from Hobby Lobby. I bought them for 50% off and we're going to be using them as candle holders. Add the bookshelf behind the wood and mark the nails where they're going to go with a permanent marker. You'll need 2 sets of these ring hangers. Take your permanent marker and add the dots so you know where to drill the holes in. After drilling the holes, now it's time to place the mirror on top, and I really like using this Gorilla Construction adhesive. It's very strong, works great. I use this for all of my DIY mirror projects. Add a good amount of it to the wood and then apply the mirror on top. Press firmly and let it dry for about 24 hours before hanging. I purchased these plastic gemstones from Amazon. I'll leave a link to them in my description box. I wanted to make a chandelier effect on the bottom of the bookshelf. At first I used hot glue to glue them down, but the hot glue didn't work. They fell off really easily, so I ended up using Gorilla Construction adhesive and that held up really well. I purchased my rhinestone wrap from Amazon or Hobby Lobby whenever I'm there and they have them 50% off. I cut the strips in half and made straight lines going up in the center of the mirror, then added a small piece at the ends, making them diagonal to give it a nice shape and custom trim look on the mirror. For the final step, take the drill and put the bookshelf with the screws to the back of the wood and it's ready to be hung. Here's how the 2 mirrored wall sconces turned out. They're so stunning and very glam. I really like the added chandelier bottom look to them. They would have shined more if they were real glass crystals, but these were a more affordable option on Amazon. If you want to invest in glass crystals, they would definitely make a bigger impact. You can make this 100% customizable if you like how this design looks, but you don't want the silver rhinestone or the black paint. You can definitely opt out for gold paint on the sides, gold rhinestone wrap, or silver border. It's all up to you. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Let me know which DIY was your favorite and what you'll be making next. If you're not following me on Instagram, I would love to have you there as well. You can follow me at LGQUEEN Home Decor. Send me pictures of your recreated DIYs. Those always make my day and I love seeing how you incorporate them in your home. Don't forget to download Shop Tagger. The link is in my description box, and save 2 items to your cart. That way you're entered for the $1,000 giveaway. I'm so excited for you guys and thankful to Shop Tagger for having this amazing giveaway. I'll talk to you all very soon. Thank you so much for being here. Take care.